in today's video from your class 11 statistics for economics. From your statistics for economics book, we will do introduction. Okay, we will do introduction to statistics for economics. Okay, as we have learned, I think I have already completed the chapter and you have understood each and everything. Now if you look at the board, you can see the textbook questions one by one. Can you read out the textbook questions for me? So that I can answer all the textbook questions. First, go to true false questions.
Marks the following statements as true or false.
Okay.
Roman 1. Statistics can only deal with quantitative data.
It is true. It is true or false? What do you think?
True.
Okay. False. Statistics also handles quantitative facts. Once we quantify them. Understood? Example, male and female, literate, illiterate. You get it? So, question number 1 is
False.
false. Okay. Go to question number 2.
Statistics solve economic problems.
Okay. Do you think it is true or false? What do you think?
False.
It is false. Statistics doesn't solve economic problems. It provides evidence to understand and guide decisions. Understood? Okay. Come to question number 3. True false question.
Statistic is of
Statistics.
Statistics if is of no use to economics without data.
Very good. What do you think it is?
True.
True. Great. Without data, there is nothing. Understood? For statistics to analyze. Without data, there is nothing for statistics to analyze. So it is useless to economics. Is that clear? Now come to question number 2. What is question number 2?
Make a list of activities in a bus stand or a marketplace. How many of them are economic activities?
Okay. So activities at a bus stand, market. Activities as at a bus stand, either at a bus stand or market. This is question number 2, right? You look at the board and tell me, is it right or not?
Yes.
Okay. So activities at a bus stand, market, and which are economic. I think buying, selling tickets. And what is this? Economic or not?
Yes.
Okay. Conductors checking tickets. Economic?
Economic.
Right? What was the question actually?
Make a list of activities in a bus stand or a marketplace. How many of them are economic?
Which are economic? So, buying, selling tickets economic. Conductors taking tickets economic. Because he gets paid to check the tickets. Okay. Porters carrying luggage. Porters get paid economic. Snack tea vendors selling snacks tea vendors. Understood? Selling food economic. You get it? Shops selling magazines, water economic. So auto taxi drivers offering rides economic because they earn. And bus cleaning. Understood? Maintenance staff economic. The rest like police, security patrolling, cross, government service, not market exchange by them, passengers waiting, chatting, cross. Means, you get it what I'm saying?
Yes.
Announcements, information desk, cross. Service to public, not a market exchange by users. People helping others. Understood? Find seats, cross. Another economic activities left is 8 and 12 above. Understood? They are marked, I think, right, in what production? Asian foreign. You get it? Come to question number 3.
The government and policy marks use statistical data to formulate suitable policies of economic development. Illustrate with two examples.
Okay. How policymakers use statistics? Two examples. Okay. How policymakers use statistics? Two examples. Employment date. Are you getting me?
Yes.
Employment date, like I can answer it like employment data. You get it? Unemployment rate, sectoral job numbers. Look at what I am saying. Are you listening very carefully? Okay. Employment data helps design skill training schemes or public works where joblessness is high. What have I said? Employment data. If you look at the employment data, what do you find? Employment data helps design skill training schemes or public works where joblessness is high. Crop slash output and price data. Understood?
Yes.
These three. What? Crop, output and price data. Are you getting me?
Yes.
At yield, CPI. Oh, I don't like to use this. I think it will be very good if I say crop output and price data guides MSP decisions. You know MSP decisions? Food grain, buffer, stocks or import export policy to stabilize prices. Did you get what I am saying?
Yes.
First, how policymakers use statistics. Two examples. Two examples are number one, employment data helps design skill training schemes or public works where joblessness is high. Number one. Number two, crop output and price. For crop output and price data guides MSP decision, food grain buffer stock or import export policy to establish prices. Is that clear? Now go to question number 4. Read question number 4 and tell me what is question number 4.
You have unlimited wants
Okay.
and limited resources. To satisfy them, explain this statement by giving two examples.
Okay. Unlimited wants, limited resources. Very important question. Really, we have unlimited wants and limited resources, right? If we explain with two examples, we must say, for example, with 200 rupees of pocket money, you may want a notebook or a t-shirt. You must choose because money is limited. Why will you make choice? Because money is limited. Right or not? I have already described this chapter very nicely.
Yes, yes.
So, we actually choose or we make a choice because of the fact that we have limited money. As the money in our pocket is limited. You want to study, play football and watch a film this evening. Time is scarce. So, you select the most valued. Understood? This is number 2. Is this clear? The most valued can be watched because scarcity You want to study, play football, watch a movie this evening time. But when there is a scarcity of time, what will you do? You will be left with not anything except to select the most valued. Isn't it?
Hmm.
Go to question number 5.
How will you choose the wants to be satisfied?
How will you choose the wants to be
Huh.
satisfied? Okay. We have lot of wants to satisfy. If you try to satisfy all, you cannot, you will end up satisfying none. So it is better not to satisfy anybody. Satisfy only yourself.
Hmm.
How to choose which wants to satisfy? How to choose? We have many wants to satisfy. How to choose which wants to satisfy? List number one, list and rank wants by urgency or importance. Number two, check budget, time constraints. Okay. Number three, compare benefit versus cost. Clear? That's number four, pick the handle that gives maximum satisfaction within your team. Are you getting me?
Yes.
Pick the handle or pick the important things only. Or you can call it pick the bundle. Pick the bundle of things that you want to buy from the market. Pick the bundle that gives maximum satisfaction within your level. Is that clear? That's how you can carry on. Understood? Okay, go to question number 6.
What are your reason for studying economics?
The reasons for studying is very interesting. If we don't have knowledge of economics,
Hmm.
I don't think we will prosper. If you want to succeed, if you want to prosper in life, you need to have at least the basic sense, understood, or knowledge of economics. And economics is very important subject. Demand and supply. The supply depends on demand. If the people stop demanding, who will supply? Like America. I'm telling you, America used to take so many things, but the tariffs imposed on Indians, understood, made India to stop exporting things that they need. India stopped exporting or not? As America threatened India to what? Impose tariffs. How much? How much? 50%. Is it possible for a country to bear with such an insult? This is why India is looking for alternatives. As a teacher of economics, I have these things to say. Is that clear? So let's come to question number 6. The reasons for studying economics. First, understand scarcity, choices, opportunity, cost. Make a sense of market, prices, inflation, unemployment, government policies. Then build data, statistical literacy for evidence-based thinking. Statistical literacy for evidence-based thinking. Improve personal decision. Understood? Foundation for higher studies, jobs, to policy, business, finance, research, etc. Come to question number 7.
Statistical methods are not substitute for common sense. Comment with example from your daily life.
Okay. Statistical methods are no substitute for common sense. Comment with daily examples. Very good. Like the average bus wait is 10 minutes. Average bus wait, generally we happen to wait for 10 minutes for bus. Average bus wait is 10 minutes. Okay. But at rush hour, you may wait 25. Don't plan only by an average. A rise in average income in your town doesn't mean everyone is better off. A few high earners can pull up the middle. Understood? A few high, a few high earners can pull up the mean. Correlation, causation in ice cream, ice cream sales, farmers both rise in summer. Selling ice cream doesn't cause further. Small example mislead, asking you just your friends about a product you may not represent the whole market. Understood?
Hmm.
I'm just telling you this, that's not the thing. Actually, the problem is today, my spec is not working. I cannot see clearly. Small samples mislead. Small. If you go to the different shopping malls, you can see small samples. Understood? Sometimes what happens, it always happens with us that small samples mislead us. Asking just your friends about a product may not represent the whole market. Understood? A product may not represent the whole market. You get it?
Hmm.
Statistics guides you, but judgment and context prevent wrong-term conclusions. Is that clear? That's how I want to end my class. If you have liked my class, please don't forget to give me a like. Bye.